Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Moringa Paratha. First, gather your ingredients. In a large bowl, combine about 1.5 to 2 cups of whole wheat flour with 1 cup of freshly chopped moringa leaves. Next, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste, and any other spices you prefer, like finely chopped ginger or green chili. Gradually add water, kneading for 3 to 4 minutes until you have a smooth, pliable dough. Finally, spread a little oil over the dough, cover it, and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. While your dough is resting, let's prepare a delicious potato filling. Start by boiling 2 to 3 small potatoes until they are fork tender. Once cooled, peel and mash them thoroughly. To the mashed potatoes, add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, and salt to your preference. Stir in a handful of fresh, chopped cilantro and about 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of lemon juice. Mix all these ingredients well until you have a smooth, evenly spiced potato mixture. This filling adds wonderful flavor to your parathas. Now it's time to assemble and cook your parathas. Divide your rested dough into equal, ping-pong-sized balls. Take one ball and flatten it into a small disc, roughly 3 inches in diameter. Place a small portion of your potato filling in the center, then carefully bring the edges of the dough together to seal the filling inside, forming a smooth ball. Dust your work surface with flour and gently roll the filled dough into a medium-thick, large disc. Heat a griddle or tawa over medium heat, place the rolled paratha on it, and cook, drizzling oil or ghee on both sides. Continue cooking your parathas, flipping them until both sides develop beautiful golden brown spots and they puff up nicely. Once cooked, remove them from the griddle. Serve these hot, nutritious Moringa Parathas immediately with a side of cool curd, your favorite pickle, or a tangy chutney. They are perfect for breakfast, lunch, or a healthy snack. For easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals. Enjoy this healthy and flavorful Indian flatbread, a wonderful addition to any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.